Ready.
Once upon a time, there was ant and a grasshopper. His name is Ant and Grasshopper.
Of course.
Yes, and they playing hide and seek. And Ant prepare the food. And Grasshopper said, "Let's play, Ant." But Ant said, "I'm preparing a food, Ant, because when it's raining day, I cannot broke my house." And he's playing and playing. Grasshopper is jumping, jump in the pond. And he sleep. And he said, "It's cold," and like that. And he knocked at the door. He said, like that. And he said, "Grasshopper, what happened to you?" I'm cold because it's so cold in the rain. You not prepare your food? Yes, and he not prepare your food. He said, "Grasshopper, you prepare your food because that helps healthy." And he said, "Yes, Aunt, I will do that next time." He said, "Oh, promise?" He promised, and they happily ever after.
And the lesson of the story?
The lesson? The moral lesson to study: don't be lazy on the food.
Really?
Yes.
Who taught you that?
I don't know.
Who taught you the story? You don't know?
Who taught the study? I think Mom said.
And it's your mommy. Are you lazy or not?
Nah.
Wear your glasses.
Okay.
Say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody.
What are you gonna tell everybody? What's the moral lesson?
The moral lesson of the study: don't be lazy in the food.
In preparing food.
Preparing food.
In preparing and
food.
saving
And saving
for rainy days.
for rainy days.
Okay.
I-video na natin.
Tapos na.